Hari Om, Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to the lessons to learn Shri Rajarajeshwari Stotram, also known as Amba Ashtakam, written by Jagadguru Shri Adi Shankaracharya. As the name suggests, it is Amba Ashtakam, that means the recital is about the mother, who is the mother of the entire universe, Sri Rajarajeshwari Devi. And each sloka in the stotram starts with the word Amba, as in a child calling her mother with love and affection. So every time, like in this world, when a child calls his mother or her mother with love and affection, the mother always responds and the mother always takes care of her child. So same is the case with Sri Rajarajeshwari Devi, who is the mother of this entire universe. Whoever recites this stotra, the mother takes care of her devotees, she listens to them, and she always protects them and blesses them with everything that they need and they want. So let's get started with the lessons. In this lesson, first I will say 1 to 2 words. Please repeat after me. Amba Shambhavi Chandramaulirabalāparna Uma Parvati Kali Haimavati Shivatrinayani Katyayani Bhairavi Savitri Navayauvana Shubhakari Samrajya Lakshmi Prada Chidrupi Paradevata Bhagavati Sri Rajarajeshwari Amba Mohini Devata Tribhuvani Ananda Sandayini Vani Pallavapani Venumurali Ganapriya Lolini Kalyani Uduraja Bimbavadana Dhumraksha Samharini Chidrupi Paradevata Bhagavati Sri Rajarajeshwari. Great job. Now let's do one sentence at a time. First I will say, please repeat after me. Amba Shambhavi Chandramaulirabalāparna Uma Parvati Kali Haimavati Shivatrinayani Katyayani Bhairavi Savitri Navayauvana Shubhakari Samrajya Lakshmi Prada Chidrupi Paradevata Bhagavati Sri Rajarajeshwari Amba Mohini Devata Tribhuvani Ananda Sandayini वाणी पल्लवपाणि वेणुमुरलीगानप्रिया लोलिनी कल्याणी उडुराजबिम्बवदना धूम्राक्षसंहारिणी चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीराजराजेश्वरी Excellent work. Now let's recite the slokas together. Please sing along with me. Amba Shambhavi Chandramauళిరబలా Parna Uma Parvati Kali Haimavati Shiva Trinayani Katyayani Bhairavi सावित्री नवयौवना शुभकरी साम्राज्यलक्ष्मीप्रदा चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीराजराजेश्वरी अम्बा मोहिनी देवता त्रिभुवनी आनन्दसन्दायिनी वाणी पल्लवपाणि वेणुमुरलीगानप्रिया लोलिनी कल्याणी उडुराजबिम्बवदना धूम्राक्षसंहारिणी चिद्रूपी परदेवता भगवती श्रीराजराजेश्वरी Excellent work. With this, we will conclude this lesson. Let's meet again in the next session. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.